Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So today I'll be showing you how you can install LineageOS 18.1 in your device. So as we can see, the LineageOS 18.1 official Android 11 version for our POCO F1 is already available. So I have already downloaded that file in my laptop, and I'll be putting this file in internal storage very soon. So I'll be leaving a link in the description section, and you can just click on the links and you can download. So for your kind of information, I keep making videos on tech and on POCO F1, on OnePlus 8 Pro, and a lot of other devices, and a lot of other important tech. So for more info, please subscribe to the channel if possible, right? That will be very helpful for me to grow this channel. So let's start the video now. So what I'll do is, before we go to TWRP section, I want you to go to your settings and to the security and remove the screen lock if there is any, because this can lead to your device getting encrypted. So anyways, that doesn't matter now, because I'll be anyways clean flashing this build. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the TWRP section by clicking the volume up button and power button at the same time, right? So it might take maybe 7 to 8 seconds to trigger the TWRP section, so you have to wait for that much of time. So as you can see, the phone will vibrate twice and you will land to the TWRP section, right? So it's in the TWRP section already, right? So if you see, it's asking something, so you just swipe to allow modification. Now what will you do? You'll connect your phone and you put your file that you have downloaded in your internal storage. So if any of you is coming from any other custom ROM and you want to migrate to this, I recommend you to just simply clean flash this just by going to wipe section, and you go to the format and then you type here yes, and your device will be formatted. After that, you put your ROM inside. So anyways, always keep your data backed up whenever you want to install a custom OS. That's advice from my side, right? So I have already put that file in the as you can see, in the internal storage. I'll just click on this, right, and I will confirm to swipe to flash. As you can see, it's already getting shown here that patching system image inconditionally, and it's showing a lot of other stuff. So very soon that zip will be flashed and you will be able to see, the ROM installed. So this might take some time, so I'll just fast forward the video form. As you can see, the zip install is successful. So what I'll do is I'll simply reboot the system, right? So after you reboot, it might take you around about 2 to 3 minutes to get back here, and this will just boot up your device. So it might take around, as I told you, it might take you around 5 minutes. So I'll just fast forward the video from here and see you on the other side, and I'll also set up my phone in that time. So we are already here. It says Lineage or Lineage, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just press on next, and I will select India, and the time, let's set the time. Green meridian, where is it? So it's in the minus section. You have to go to 5:30. Yeah, okay, mistakenly I set it. This is, even the Sri Lanka one would work for us, but we'll go for what is happening. Just a second. Yeah, Kolkata, right? So I'll just add the network here. So this might take some time, so I'll quickly set up the phone, right? Here we are. Trust me guys, the setup of LineageOS is the most easiest. This doesn't ask us number of permissions and stuff. So let me just tell you one thing. This build, I believe it's an vanilla build. That means it doesn't have Google services pre-installed. So for that, you might have to flash the GApps as well. You just have to go to the TWRP section and just select the GApps file and flash them. So what does GApps mean? That means you won't be able to use the Google services, and all the other Gmail and stuff doesn't come pre-installed, neither does the Play Store. So you have to flash those files as well. So to me, this build looks very clean, and you can see there is no bloatware actually. And if I just go to the about phone section, and if I go to the Android version, you can see it says Android 11 and LineageOS nightly build. It is 5th of April security patch and all of other stuff. It's just here, right? So this is how you can install LineageOS. And if you're not if you are not interested in bloatware and stuff, if you want a very clean, intuitive experience, you can simply install this ROM, and it's pretty good. I feel it's very lightweight, just 60 MB, I think it's 60 MB it was. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you can just subscribe to the channel, that would be very helpful for me to make awesome videos for you people. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.